Hi, I'm Pam from Klipfolio. I'm going to show you a new easy option we recently introduced, and we'll connect to our Google Analytics data, and I'll show you how to build a dashboard in about 3 minutes. So we're going to use a new data container called Power Metrics in order to build this dashboard. We'll build a dashboard similar to the one you see on the screen, and I'll just create a new dashboard to get started. We're going to add a Power Metric, so you can either access the ones that you've already created, but we're going to create a new one so I can show you that process. I'll search for Google Analytics. And this is a menu of all the different predefined Power Metrics that we've got for Google Analytics. So I'll choose the Sessions Power Metric, connect and authenticate against Google Analytics. And now I will set up, provide a little bit of information about the web property that I want to connect to. We'll use the support site, Klipfolio. Once I've created that Power Metric, it's going to pop up the first visualization on the screen here for me. And now I can start interacting with it and changing things. First, I'll change the global date filter and just look at the last week of data. And then I'm going to go in and start configuring my visualizations. So I'll start with an indicator. So I'm going to choose the number and I'll compare it to the previous period. So that will give me the nice little arrow there and show me if I'm up or down compared to last week. And then I'm going to use the duplicate feature here, which makes it really quick to add new visualizations. And I'll just go in and configure these. So we'll do a donut chart with segment by device category. Now you can see how we can segment by different dimensions that we brought in. And the data is already there for us. So this will be a heat map now that we will actually change the aggregation type to average and look at channel. Let's look at rows, device by channel. I'll resize this one. And duplicate again. We'll make this a waterfall chart. You can see that there's many different visualization options, and it's easy to change visualizations with a single click and add whatever different types of trends and options you want to the visualizations. We'll do a stacked bar because that's always kind of nice to see how channels are performing. And we can change the style of the chart as well. So I want to have this stacked, and all of this is going to use that global date filter. Once we've got some basic visualizations built here on the dashboard, we can go in and add some new filters. So this is going to add filtering capability for all of the different dimensions that we've got in our Power Metric. And I'm going to give this a name. Save it. I can go in and I can change the names of the individual visualizations as well to make it a little more customized. I could add, I can even add images and other things into this dashboard. And now I'll just show you the filtering options. So here we can go in and we can filter on something like a country, Australia, for example, to change the data within this dashboard. And of course, we can share this with other people. We can get a link, copy that link, or invite other users to access the dashboard. So that was a quick run through of connecting to Google Analytics data using one of our predefined Power Metrics. Of course, you can create completely customized Power Metrics and change the data query. And you can also bring Power Metrics or these visualizations that you've created into the Clips area of the product, where you can create completely customized dashboards and reports, leveraging that data query that you've easily defined here. So this is a really easy, simple way to get started in Klipfolio, and I'd love you to give it a try yourself.